In this video, we will compute the overall thermal transmittance, also called the U value, for a layered wall assembly. Here are the layers from outside to inside, each with its thermal resistance value, or R value. We will add the R values, then take the reciprocal to find U. Let's visualize the wall assembly as a stack of layers. Each layer has a specific R value, and the total resistance is the sum of all of them. The larger the R value, the better the insulation. Now, we add all the R values. The total resistance is 0.17 plus 0.44 plus 0.9, 1 plus 0.62 plus 19.0 plus 0.45 plus 0.68. This gives a total R value of 22.27. The U value is the reciprocal of the total R value. So U equals 1 divided by 22.27. This is about 0.0449 British thermal units per hour foot squared degree Fahrenheit. Looking at the answer choices, the closest value is 0.046. So the correct answer is choice B.